Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Office of Deputy Commissioner West Jainti Hills District Clara K ka World Music Day ni ka ski ka tem ka put hakal pawai trik ujiliw aracha apusan kablalong ha District Library Auditorium Bintong Rwai de ka jingishim bintalang jong kikinhun tem bat kinong Rwai na kaleng ka district. Kikinhun nong tem bat kinong Rwai kibalay shim binta haka ni ka ski kikintop ya ka kinhun ilef choir ka Magnificent Obsession Rwai ka Reggae Collective ka larger than 90 ka Tiseva Nibawar, ka Horilda Paswet, ka F1 Roy Ringklem, ka KRE bat ka Ladu, haka jinyo kop Rwai into school.
Today it is not just about the music, it is about coming together across generation, backgrounds, experiences to celebrate a universal language that connects us all. Whether you are a child humming a lullaby, a teenager discovering a favorite band, or someone who grew up with the timeless classic, music has touched you across. Music carries the power to heal, to inspire, to unite. It tells stories when you fall short. It lifts us in times of joy and comforts us in times of sorrow. And here in West Hills, where culture and traditions run deep, music is not just entertainment, it is identity. I want to thank you all, even to the performers who will be performing today, the local talents, the school students, the choirs, the musicians, for sharing their voices, their rhythms, their hearts. You are the soul of this celebration. As we are here to enjoy today's performance, I encourage all of you, young, to sing along, clap, dance, or simply let the music take over. Let us continue to promote the richness of our culture while embracing the harmony that the global music brings in. Happy World Music Day, everyone. Let the music play on. Thank you all.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.